Hello all you beautiful people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below this is going to be my Boxy Charm Premium unboxing, which it's kind of odd I'm just doing one box. So this month my boxes are kind of falling behind schedule and when they actually come to my house. Normally I kind of get two boxes together and then I get one box right afterwards, and normally my Ipsy is the first one to arrive, but this time it's Boxy Premium. My Ipsy and this month is a Boxy Luxe have still not shipped yet, so it's kind of odd that it is the, what is today's date? Today is the 16th of September and I have still yet to get these boxes, and I just see reviews popping up everywhere here on YouTube, so I'm interested to see when I'm actually going to get mine. But when I went to go look at shipping, I realized that for Ipsy, it ships from Fort Worth, Texas, and obviously I live in the Midwest and live in Indiana, so I don't know why it's taking so long to get here, and especially since I've been with Ipsy for so freaking long, it's ridiculous. And then this one, Boxy Charm ships from Georgia, so I don't know. I'm in the middle of the United States, so when it gets to me, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and review a Boxy Premium for the day. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I went ahead and zoomed you in a little bit so we can go ahead and show off the products that we got in our box today. I'm super excited just to see, because I know in the choice option for this box I was able to pick something really, really cool that I was super excited about, and I think it's like my second item I've ever owned. Let's just go ahead and tell you what it is. So this month they were including in Boxy Premium Marc Jacobs products, which were super cool. You had the option to choose the dewy drops. There was a face cream, and I think the other one may have been like an eyeliner of some sort. I don't remember, but I'm super into skincare. I kind of wanted the face cream really badly, but when I looked in like my skincare drawer, I really didn't need it. But when it came to the dewy drops, you know how I've been obsessed with the iconic London ones, and obviously this is a little bit more on the high end. So yes, I definitely really wanted to go ahead and pick this up. So this is the Marc Jacobs drops that we have. Let's go ahead and open it, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty, super cute, very luxurious. Again, it is Marc Jacobs, so it is going to have a glass bottle, and then the color that we got in the box is Tantalized 54. So let's just go ahead and squeeze a little bit of, oh, that came a lot out. I didn't mean to have that much product, so be very careful when you're pumping this out, because I may have just wasted a crap ton. If I can get this back in the bottle, oh yes I can. Oh yes I can. Okay, cool. Back in the bottle you go. So that is what it looks like on my hand. Again, that was a lot of product that came out. So it has a very like bronzy tan color. It's more or less on like the brownish side. Almost looks like a shimmery contour shade. So it's very smooth. I will definitely tell you, it has more like a gel type of, I don't know, feel to it. It's very soft. It's very cold to the touch. That may be just because it's cold in my house. But as I'm smoothing it out, it's not like shearing out. It's still full pigmentation, full color on my hand. So that's very interesting, the way that it lays. So I'm very interested to try it and see if I put this into a foundation, if it would either darken the foundation or if it would just do like illuminating drops normally would do. Again, it does have a very smooth texture, but after it starts to dry a little bit, it is a little bit more on the tacky side. I recently just got the illuminating drops or the illuminator highlighter from the Rare Beauty collection, which actually recently just posted a video about that, so I'll list it up here if you want to go ahead and check that. I would greatly appreciate it. And how I talked about those drops. Those drops are obviously a little bit, or that illuminizer or whatever you want to call it, is a little bit different than this. It definitely has, it had the smoothing like texture to it in the beginning, but now it's kind of just like tacky. So yeah, check out a video if you guys are interested in that product and seeing how I used it and what I did in the video. So moving on, so that is the Tantalizing Drops, or Tantalized 2 Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter, I was right, gel, by Marc Jacobs, and the price of that is going to be $45. I'm gonna make this wipe really quickly and wipe that off my hand and keep going. Alright, and so then the next item that we have in here is going to be by Emma Hardy. This is their Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, and gives you antioxidant protection. This is what the packaging looks like. You're not going to be able to really see that, but it's because it's blinding in the camera. And let's keep on going. So you get, what is this? 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. It's formulated without silicones, synthetic colors, synthetic fragrances, petroleum, mineral oil, sulfates, and animal ingredients. So it says the Emma Hardy skincare is based on targeting botanicals to support complexion of all age and skin concerns to help your skin look and give you a younger natural feel. And this is dermatologist tested and suitable for vegetarians and vegans. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. You know me, I love facial oils. I love anything that has to do with my face because I try and take really good care of it. I kind of just want to feel what this feels in my hand. Again, it probably just feels like any natural oil, but ooh. It does have like a small hint of, I don't even know. It kind of smells like a sunflower for some odd reason. I don't know if that's even an ingredient in here. It says it has kernel oil and husk oil, citrus, lemon, peel oil. So it does have a little bit of a lemon scent to it. So yes, so that is what the oil is. Again, that's meant for overnight, a night treatment. I'd be very interested. I don't normally put oils on my face at nighttime. I normally put oils like in the beginning of the day just to kind of like set in before I put my makeup on. But I'm definitely interested in giving that a try and putting that into my skincare routine since a lot of the stuff actually I'm almost done with right now at the moment. But that is $55 for the oil treatment. And then the next item that we have in here is going to be the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. An exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made for natural sugar canes and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, and more moisturized lips. It has shea, cacao, and mango butters that soften the lips, seal moisture, and improve texture. So again, it's got the typical milk packaging on it that is silver. And then let's go ahead and get this out. This is what it looks like. And then if we go ahead and push that up just a little bit, there you go. You can probably see the little granulates that are in there. I'm not really sure. Yes, no, maybe so. Camera never wants to focus right. But let's go ahead and put this on our lips. I had a little bit of chapstick on there, but I don't feel the granulates on there at all. So if I keep putting it on there, maybe eventually I'll feel it. It's a very soft texture. The granulates that are in there aren't really like harsh that are going to really like exfoliate your lips. Maybe I just need to keep going with it a little bit more, but I'm just not feeling that. Ooh, it has a magnetic topper though. Look at that. That's cool. So yeah, I do have one already in my collection that's kind of like that, which is a drugstore version. This is the Revlon Kiss Exfoliating Lip Balm, and I really love this one. So it has the same kind of mint flavor to it as well. Save your money, I guess I would say, and try out the drugstore version first before you just go ahead and purchase this one. But that is going to be $22 for us. So yeah, $22 for the Milk Makeup Lip Scrub. Alright, and then we have a few more items that are in here for us. So the next item we have is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. This is going for $22. Stila obviously you can find in Ulta. So let's figure out what the shade is. This is going to be Vivid Amethyst. It's supposed to be like a purple color, I'm guessing. So again, typical Stila eyeliner that they've had before. I've had a few of these in the past. It does have a very smooth texture to it. It does give off more like a blackish purple, if you can see right there. It's not like super purple, but it does kind of give, it does have a hint of purple, I would say. But again, it is like a dark purple, just kind of like how the packaging shows on the top. Actually, that purple is more vivid than this purple. So yeah, that's $22. So let's keep moving on. So what else do we have in here? So I think we've got 2 more products. Also, I don't know if I explained BoxyCharm or Boxy Premium. So Boxy Premium obviously is a subscription box, if you guys didn't know, where for this box, I think I tell you guys every single time about it, but I would feel like a broken record if I didn't. Or you know what I meant. But with this box, I'm supposed to get 6 full-size products, and then from there, obviously I'm supposed to get over $175 value. So hopefully when we add this all up, we actually get what we get. So going on to the 5th item that is in this box, I saw a lot of people get this. This is the ice roller from, I don't know the brand, Kitschse, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and pull this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because obviously those of you who are a part of my channel, you know I do monthly giveaways. So within my subscription boxes, I find items that I'm just not into and I give those away to you guys. So thank you so much for you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for those videos. But also thank you to Jessica Gibson, who was the winner of August, and I'm actually, as soon as I'm done filming this video, we'll be going to the post office and shipping your box out. So yeah, if this video posts today or posts later, then obviously it's already in the mail. So again, thank you guys so much for your support, and let's keep going on. So you have the ice roller, which again, I don't think I'm going to keep this because I actually purchased the, what is that jade roller that Tati was talking about, the purple one. I finally found that on Ipsy. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box if we could. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a large like razor kind of, but you're supposed to roll it on your face. It seems really cool. I mean, I get it because it's supposed to be sterling silver from what I have seen in other reviews. It does the same thing. It's supposed to be, you know, lymphatic drainage. It's supposed to help with spot treatment. It's also supposed to help with like serums and stuff and putting it into your face. Again, you put this into the freezer, let it sit for a few minutes, and then you take it out and then you can roll it around your face to really help just your face, I guess, whatever it is. I don't know. I'm still kind of new to these kind of things. Again, I'm really into skincare, but this isn't something I've ever really gotten into, and I do have the jade roller. I also have one of those other, like the smaller ones, which are sitting in my freezer, and I keep on freaking use them. So I'm going to give this away to you guys. So that's going to go in the giveaway to start off with the first item of the giveaway for this month. And then the next item and last item that is in here, also, did I say the price on that? That is going to be $18 for the ice roller. So this is the Queen palette, and it is super pretty packaging on the front of it. It does have 3 skin tones on the front, so very inclusive: dark skin tone, medium skin tone, and someone with light skin tone complexion. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a palette that's supposed to be very inclusive, that you can use on all skin tones. Obviously, all eyeshadow palettes are, but this one has a very pretty message on the back. So the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our colors are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power, which is really cool. I really like that message. And then obviously in here it tells you exactly what is in the palette. So you have 20 pigment, it's a 20 pigment palette and 4 stunning textures. You have 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. Now, for people who are interested in ingredients, this is made, it says, this is from Kingston and Chelsea, London. It was created and formulated in the UK, but made in PRC. What is PRC? If I will Google it and put the answer right here for you. But if people are always interested in where products are made from. And then also just to let you know, the very first 2 ingredients that are in this palette are mica and talc. So that's just something just to let you guys know about this palette. So let's just go ahead and open it up. And again, it has the same packaging on the front. And on the front, it also says all queens lie within all of us, which is probably why it has the inclusive skin tones on each one of the queens on the front. And then if you go ahead and open it, this is what it looks like. So it does have a huge mirror on it. And then you do have all of these beautiful colors that are in here. So that is awesome. Now, as I'm looking at this palette, I do see all the mattes. I do see, I guess that's the pressed pearl, because that looks like it. This is the duochrome shade down at the bottom. Oh no. That looks like the duochrome shade down at the bottom right here for us. And then, what else? It says 4 metallics and 1 pressed pearl. I mean, I see way more metallics in here. Okay, so there's 4 shimmers, 4 metallics, 1 pressed pearl, and 1 duochrome. So 6 metallics. I wish they would be more informative of what is what, because obviously I would have to swatch these, but I think just because this palette doesn't scream to me and isn't something that I think I'm going to use, because I have a lot of colors already in my collection, that I'm gonna go ahead and pass on this beautiful palette to one of you. So there is that. I'm gonna put the protector back into it. So that is the second item going into the giveaway. Now I had my face bare because I thought I was going to try on a lot of these products for us today, but that does not seem like the case. So again, let's just go over the prices for everything, and let's just go ahead and add up this box for us, and then we will be able to know if we actually got the full value in our box. All right, so we had the Eloise eyeshadow palette, which I'm giving away in the giveaway. That is $46. You have the Marc Jacobs Dew Coconut Gel Drops. That's $45. Then you've got the Emma Harding Facial Oil, which is $55. You've got the ice roller, which is $18. Then you've got the Milk Makeup Lip Scrub, which is $22. And then the Steeless Eye Smudge Stick for $22 as well, which brings our total of our box to $208. Wow, $208. So obviously we got over the price value for our box, which is supposed to be over $175, which I'm actually really excited about that. So out of the 6 products that I have in this box, I'm keeping 4. And then the other 2 I'm giving away to you guys. So those are the first 2 items that are going to So those are the first 2 items that are going to be in the giveaway for September. So again, keep an eye out. I've been looking at the Ipsy website and the Boxycharm website to see where my packages are. The Ipsy one and also for Boxycharm, they've started the shipping label. It just hasn't shipped yet. So, I can only hope that they will be here later this week or maybe next week. I'm not really sure. But again, just keep an eye out for that, and then I will let you guys know when I will start the next giveaway for the month. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you so much. Again, thank you for always supporting me. Again, I post videos twice a week. I'm trying to be way better at posting videos for you guys, along with obviously my regular job that I always do. So yeah, also I had one of you lovely ladies ask me to do a Q&A video. I'm not really sure if I have a big enough audience or if you guys would be actually really interested in doing a Q&A video. So just let me know in the video, or just let me know in the comments down below if that's something you guys would be interested in me doing, just to get to know me, who I am, and everything like that. So again, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It does really help me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.